When you look at this lovely amount of money, are you interested in how you can stack big numbers like this in your wallet as well? Then you're in the right place, guys, because I'm about to walk you through the exact steps on how to pull off the perfect rug and cash out big time. Here on Pump Fun, you can connect your wallet like this. But before I reveal my secret sauce to you folks, you first need to understand the correct way to launch your meme coin. So take notes now. If you're thinking about using Pump Fun, drop that garbage idea immediately. I'll tell you straight away, there are far better methods for launching your coin at this very moment. If you check out photon.com and apply the Pump Fun Dex filter, you'll notice an endless stream of new meme coins popping up every couple of seconds. Just look at Tyndall and ASD coin. They're absolutely doomed right from the start. Why, you may ask? Because Pump Fun is overloaded with meme coins that are just very trash. Anyone can launch one there, and this means the competition is insanely tough and not worth your precious effort. Now, if we switch over to Radium and apply the filter, you'll instantly notice that competition is drastically lower. When you take a look, you can see that in the past 10 minutes, only 8 new coins have been launched. The difference? People are actively searching for fresh meme coins on Radium that they want to buy. Like, just check out these numbers from liquidity, market caps, and volumes. It's absolutely insane. I was digging a bit and came across this platform named launchtool.io, and let me tell you something. This thing is insanely overpowered, guys. It gives you access to launch a coin on Radium without writing a single line of code and saving yourself from banging your head against the wall. Seriously, all it takes is a few clicks and all of a sudden, you're live. This is absolutely game-changing platform, and honestly, this is exactly how I've been stacking some crazy profits over the past month. So now, let's jump right into the next step, which is showing you how to create a logo. Now, I already did a quick Google search and found a solid logo for my coin. You know, I always like to theme my coins around cats. So on Canva, you want to click this button where it says Custom Size, then just simply set the size to 128 by 128 pixels. After that, drag the image from your uploads to this big white square, tweak the image a bit, maybe crop it to fit and look better, and save it by going to Share option and just downloading an image. That's it. Super simple. Alright guys, now that we've moved that out of our way, we can proceed to the very important part, token creation. So what you want to do is go straight to Launch Tool like me and simply put details about your coin. Let me show you how. I'll fill in the token name with Popcat coin and symbol with PPC. Just below those two, you have description. You want to put something that is related to your coin. In my case, I'll put, for example, something like the funny cat coin, inspired by the internet meme of a cat named Oatmeal, has finally become trending. Lastly, in the token logo section, we should upload the logo that we created. Alright, so about these options, we really don't want to touch anything because everything is just set perfectly for the afterward process, so you just want to click on the next tab. Now, we have Modify Creator Information section, and I'll tell you straight away, this is just not necessary, and it's not worth the fee of 0.1 Solana. So just turn it off and click on Next to proceed further. Once again, this social media links section is not necessary at all, so I'll just skip it, guys. But before I skip it, I just want to tell you that if you want to add your links, feel free to do so. Okay, guys, now we've reached the very important part of token creation, revoke authorities. Just keep your hands off these settings. If you're wondering why, I'll give you an example. If you turn off the revoke freeze option, you would literally freeze all trading. And just tell me, do you think people would even bother buying your coin if they knew you disabled that setting? If the answer is no, then don't touch anything. And just press Launch My Token now. Okay, once we do that, our wallet will appear, and we just need to click on Confirm. And yeah, That is all it took to launch our token, guys. It was that simple. We have details for our coin, so I'll just press view on SolScan to check out my coin. And yeah, now the coin definitely exists on the network. Alright, now that we checked that out, we want to go straight back to Launch Tool and press the Create Liquidity Pool button. And boom, we're sent directly to Radium. Do you see why Launch Tool is a game changer, folks? Anyway, we want to connect our wallet first, like this. After that, we need to add our meme coin as this base token option. You do that by simply clicking on SOL, going back to Launch Tool, copying address from the token, and once again going back to Radium to insert the token address in this search bar. We still have necessary tabs that need to be completed. So for the symbol, I'll enter PPC, and for the name Popcat Coin, proceed with clicking Add User Token. Here, we have a 1 billion coin supply, but we actually want to add 900 million, because that is standard for meme coins. Then, we simply add the quote token, and the standard is Solana, so always go with that. Now, this is an important part I must point out, folks. You can put literally all your Solana into the pool, since you are the first buyer of your own coin, and you just can't lose anything. So click on max and lower it by 0.2 Solana because of a fee. In this scenario, I'll put in 0.27 Solana, and you want to choose 2% in fee tier option, just like I did it. Just make sure you entered the right information for your own meme coin, and after that, just press Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. As you can see, we got the message that the pool was created successfully, and that means that our coin is available for trading. And folks, as you can see, the coin is officially on Photon's list, so that means people can buy it. Alright, now that you've seen that, go straight to dexscreener.com and just click on literally any random coin. When it loads, go back to Launch Tool, just copy the address from the token. Head back to DexScreener and replace random coin's address by pasting your token address that you copied from Launch Tool. Bang! Now we can clearly see the chart of our coin. Oh, also, you can see that there are some early orders here, but keep in mind that they're just bots. Alright, so I'll just wait a bit now until an order lands right on my doorstep. Would you take a look at this? We got our first big order. This is some crazy shit, guys, right? But I don't want to settle for it, so let's just wait a bit longer to see what else could happen. Here, you can see the market cap and liquidity for your token, guys. You can see that our coin has 700% growth from where it started. Nice. We got another order made just 11 seconds ago, and it's worth $85. Here we can see the Solana price as well. Just insane. Almost forgot to tell you guys, this method is amazing because no marketing is needed at all, and you can do the process over and over again until you stack some insane amounts. So guys, you need to... Wait, hold on. We got another one that is close to $100 in just a couple of minutes. That is almost one whole Solana that we could have for our pool. Just take a look again at this 2,300%, folks. So take these steps carefully, guys. You need to go to Radium, connect your wallet, and click on Standard. And here we have the minus button that you want to click. When you slide this button totally to the right, you can see how much of the liquidity you can get. Then, click on Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction. After that, click on your lovely wallet and watch your big profit. I invested $34 and I made $200 profit. As I said before, just crazy. I gotta let you know that I'm not associated with Radium, Launch Tool, or Photon. All the things that I have shown you are for pure educational purposes. So I just want you to keep that in mind. This strategy is still going strong, and it's making insane profits right now. Take advantage of it before it's too late.